Hello everyone, my name is Romil Hasmukh Mirani, and in this video I'm going to discuss the differences between CentOS 7 and CentOS 8. First, we will look at what is CentOS, then we will discuss the basic feature differences between CentOS 7 and CentOS 8. Then I will shed some light upon update to security features in CentOS 8, and then lastly we will discuss about the new features in CentOS 8. What is CentOS? CentOS is a Linux distribution that provides a free, community-supported computing platform functionally compatible with its upstream source, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Red Hat Enterprise Linux was developed for commercial use, whereas CentOS is community developed, which means it lacks enterprise-level support. In January 2014, CentOS announced the official joining with Red Hat while staying independent from Red Hat Enterprise Linux under a new CentOS governing board. CentOS is an open source operating system and it was initially released in 2004. However, the new version, CentOS 8, was recently released in 2019. Basic feature differences. Kernel. Kernel is the central part of any operating system. It basically manages the operations between computer and hardware. So the CentOS 7 kernel is based upon Fedora 19 and upstream kernel 3.10, whereas CentOS 8 kernel is based on Fedora 28 and upstream kernel 4.18. Software management. CentOS 7 uses Yellow Dog Update Manager (YUM) version 3, which is distributed with RPM 4.11, whereas CentOS 8 uses YUM version 4 with RPM 4.14. Also, in CentOS 8, YUM Package Manager is based on DNF technology. DNF stands for Dendified YUM. DNF is the next generation of YUM, and the new OS version lets the users use both for managing packages. Integration with DNF technology allows the latest release to be much improved software management system. Its increased performance has well-defined APIs and support for modular content. Storage management. CentOS 7 uses LVM default. LVM stands for Logical Volume Management, which includes allocating disk, stripping, mirroring, and resizing logical volumes, whereas CentOS 8 uses LVM and Stratus. Stratus is a user space configuration daemon that configures and monitors existing components from LVM as well as XFS file system. Update to security features in CentOS 8. CentOS 7 provided support for OpenSSL 1.0.1 and TLS 1.0. However, CentOS 8 provides support for OpenSSL 1.1.1, TLS 1.3, TLS 1.0, and TLS 1. The CentOS development team has improved security features to ensure data protection and prevent breaches. The latest release will now have OpenSSL 1.1.1, which by default includes TLS 1.3. This ensures that all the user's data as well as the client's data will be cryptographically protected. Also, the operating system comes with a system-wide cryptographic policy, which means the user does not have to modify security configurations for individual applications. Also, there is a security feature related update with respect to firewalls. CentOS 7 uses IP table packet filtering framework, whereas CentOS 8 uses NF tables packet filtering framework. NF tables is much more easier to use and combines all the tools of IP tables framework. Lastly, we will discuss about the new features that are included in CentOS 8 and that are not present in CentOS 7. Desktop environment. Unlike previous CentOS versions where the default installation did not include a graphical user interface, CentOS default desktop environment is Genome 3.28. The new Genome includes following features: extended device support. Genome is now integrated with Thunderbolt 3 connection support. This feature allows the users to monitor all Thunderbolt connections and detect any security breaches. The second feature that is included by Genome team is new on-screen keyboard. This means that the operating system will now have a on-screen keyboard which is newly defined and has some specific features. There is also an upgrade to the user interface. The second feature that is present in CentOS 8 is Cockpit Web Console. CentOS 8 comes with Cockpit Web Console. It can be used to easily manage servers through a web console interface. Cockpit is highly integrated. Not only does it have an embedded terminal allowing the users to switch from terminal to browser at any time, but it also works on mobile devices. Therefore, whenever CentOS 8 is installed, it automatically sets up Cockpit Web Console along with opening the required firewall ports. However, the user does not need to worry about burdening the system. Also, the software is quite efficient as it uses memory and CPU only when it is active. These are the references which I have referred for creating this presentation and video. Thank you.